Decide means to choose something, especially after thinking carefully about several possibilities. For example, they have to decide by next Friday. In the end, we decided to go to the cinema. She decided that she would travel to India. Or, she decided she would travel to India. I can't decide what to do. We use solve when we want to find an answer to a problem. To solve a problem, to solve a mystery or a puzzle. For example, just calm down. Shouting won't solve anything. This strategy could cause more problems than it solves. The police are still no nearer to solving the crime.